For more than a decade, blueprints have been one of the defining features of Unreal Engine. They've helped launch careers, power indie games, build virtual production pipelines, and perhaps more importantly, they've allowed millions of creators to bring ideas to life without becoming traditional programmers. That's why when Epic Games took the stage at State of Unreal 2026, one announcement immediately sent the Unreal community into debate. Within hours, developers were asking the same question. Is this the beginning of the end for blueprints? In this video, we're going to take a step back from the headlines, look at what Epic actually announced, explore why the community reacted so strongly, and try to understand what all of this could mean for the future of Unreal Engine and for those of us building our career with it. This is Reza. Welcome to my channel. Okay, let's start with what Epic actually announced, because I think this is where most of the confusion began. What Epic announced is that blueprints and actors will eventually be deprecated as Unreal Engine transitions forward with a new framework built around Verse. In software development, deprecated doesn't mean removed. It simply means the technology is no longer where future development is headed. Existing projects continue to work. Developers are given migration paths, and transitions happen over time, not overnight. Unfortunately, that distinction disappeared almost immediately as the story spread across social media. The reason the reaction has been so emotional is because blueprints fundamentally changed Unreal Engine. Before blueprints, Unreal was largely a C++ engine, and blueprints, they opened doors for artists, filmmakers, designers, and countless creators who didn't come from traditional programming background. For many people, blueprints weren't just another feature. They were the reason Unreal became accessible in the first place. So when creators hear that blueprints are eventually being phased out, they're not really simply reacting to the technical decision. They're reacting to the possibility that the workflow which brought them into Unreal might be changing. But I think the more interesting question isn't whether blueprints are changing, it's why Epic believes they need to change at all. Think about Unreal Engine today compared to 10 years ago, let's say. Back then, Epic was primarily building a game engine. Today, Unreal powers blockbuster games, virtual production, film and television, architecture, simulation, automotive visualization, and one of the largest creator ecosystems in the world through Fortnite. During State of Unreal, Tim Sweeney repeatedly described a future where Unreal Engine and Unreal Editor for Fortnite gradually become a unified platform. So Epic isn't simply building the next version of Unreal Engine anymore, it's building infrastructure for millions of creators working across completely different industries. And when your vision changes that drastically, well, eventually the technology underneath has to evolve as well. This is where Verse enters the conversation. And I think it's also where the internet has become the most misleading. Verse isn't simply a new programming language replacing Blueprint. It's Epic's attempt to build a programming foundation for the future of Unreal Engine. If Blueprints answered the question, how do we make programming accessible? Then Verse is trying to answer a different question. How do we build a system that scales from a, let's say, solo indie project to persistent online worlds with millions of creators? That's a very different challenge. And perhaps that's why the real story isn't that blueprints are dying, it's that Unreal Engine itself is evolving. And if this all sounds unfamiliar, it's worth remembering that Unreal has gone through major transitions in the past. Unreal Scripts eventually gave way to Kismet. Kismet evolved into Blueprints, and every one of those changes initially felt disruptive. You know what? The more I researched this story, the more I realized this isn't really about blueprints or verse. It's about how every generation of creators eventually faces change. Blueprints transformed Unreal Engine by making creation accessible to millions of people. Now Epic believes it's time to build the next foundation. Whether it's the right decision is something only time will answer. But one thing is certain. The Blueprint era has left a permanent mark on Unreal Engine, and the decision Epic is making today may shape the next decade just as profoundly. Thank you for watching this video, and let me know in the comments, do you think Epic is making the right move? Take care and see you all later.